getting ready to make a smoothie bowl, and I wanted to take you on a tour of all my smoothie toppings. I have flaxseed mix, I have cacao chips, maca powder, yogurt chips, macadamia nuts, coconut flakes, chia seeds. This is my special chai spice blend. Hemp hearts, I have sprinkles, dried strawberries, mini flavored chocolate chips, walnuts, I have cinnamon. Plus, I have all extracts that you could possibly add, and then your nut butters, your milks, protein powders, you name it, because I love making smoothie bowls. I'm going to be using my Ninja Smoothie Bowl Blender. I'm going to be choosing my protein pack from Apollo Nutrition, and this is out of their sample box. So I'm just wondering what I'm in the mood for. They have, let's see, gooey frosted cinnamon roll, yum. Aunt Judy's magical banana cream pie. I decided I'm going to try their delicious vanilla ice cream milkshake protein pack. I want to add some peaches, possibly some raspberries, or even pitaya fruit too. Now I'm going to start off with almond milk, because when you make your smoothie bowl, you're going to fill to this line with your liquid. Always start with that first and then add your fruit frozen from the freezer. That is how you're going to make the perfect consistency, since that is key when it comes to a smoothie bowl. I put my liquid up to the liquid line. I have it. This is the max full line, vanilla and coconut and all sorts of yummy things. And now we're going to put it on the Ninja base and get blending. The consistency is perfection. My favorite part is decorating. So I'm going to take some macadamia nuts, those over to the side, some shredded coconut, yogurt chips mini, just to add some color. Plop those on there to add some color. Doesn't that look amazing?